far can the road of cost reduction go? When fluctuations in raw material prices and uncontrollable logistics losses arise, how far can the road of cost reduction go when efficiency bottlenecks emerging and hidden wastes continuing? Today, cost is no longer an isolated financial accounting. Only systematic restructuring can lead to real progress. YonYou U9 Cloud ERP, with its four-dimensional integrated cost management system, enables enterprises to achieve fine management and lean manufacturing. On the shop floor, material loss and resource waste in process flows are eating profits away. Liufeng Machinery uses YonYou U9 Cloud ERP to analyze 17 key processes deeply, accurately calculate over 40 cost elements, and reduce cost by more than 40 million yuan in just 1 year. A project is like a ship. Static budgets alone can hardly fend off risks. YonYou U9 Cloud ERP provides dynamic lifecycle control for project cost. From project initiation to delivery, it enables collecting cost in real time, monitoring budget execution, and ensuring every expense is clear and controllable. The complex internal transaction between subsidiaries are like intertwined vines, blurring the truth about the overall cost of the group. YonYou U9 Cloud ERP's multi-organization cost accounting and restoration system can identify and eliminate internal transaction profits automatically, restore the real cost of the whole group and each organization, making the cost structure clear. From the group and subsidiaries down to the smallest business units, U9 Cloud ERP can calculate responsibility cost accurately. This allows all business units to grasp their own cost performance, promoting cost awareness from being required to taking the initiative to reduce cost. YonYou U9 Cloud ERP supports standard cost management, providing a more scientific benchmark for measuring cost reduction. Simon Electric uses it to determine standard consumption of materials, labor, and expenses, and track variances accurately through analysis. Datong Machinery seizes market opportunities by providing accurate quotations based on standard cost. YonYou U9 Cloud ERP leverages an AI-driven intelligent cost analysis model to predict cost fluctuations and identify waste points accurately. Upgrading cost reduction and efficiency improvement from experience-based exploration to a scientific model which is predictable, intervenable, and replicable. How far can the road of cost reduction go? It not only involves the current profit and loss balance, but also concerns the core competitiveness in the world. How far can the road of cost reduction go? A cost management expert in digital intelligent manufacturing, backed by a wealth of advanced practices. YonYou U9 Cloud ERP is building a leading engine of cost control for the global manufacturing industry.